So we're still getting to know each other a little bit, and something that I want you to know about me. I love salsa. I do. I said it out loud. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I love salsa. And I'm going to go so far as to say I'm not the only one in this relationship. I'm not the only flossum foodie here that loves salsa. And for good reason, right? It can bring any dish from boring to bueno like that. It's tangy, it's sweet, it's got heat, it's made with vegetables, so it doesn't end up on my hips. All good things, but let's be real. Not all salsas are the same. Sure, you can go to the grocery store, you can come home, pop the lid, dump it in a bowl. You got a party? But if you bring a fire-roasted salsa made with fresh ingredients, I promise you that is going to be the best party you've ever had. It's probably going to be more like, I hate to say it, I know, a fiesta. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our cast iron skillet on about medium, and we're going to take 2 jalapeños that we've sliced in half, and we're going to throw them into the skillet along with 3 cloves of garlic still in their peels. And what's going to happen is these are going to start to roast, get nice and blackened and start to blister, and then we're just going to throw them in the food processor with the other ingredients. After about 6 to 7 minutes, the jalapeños and the garlic should be done. Don't these look great? Their earthiness will be a nice complement to the fire-roasted tomatoes. It adds a little bit more time to the recipe, but I promise you it'll be worth it. So now we're ready. And into the food processor, you're going to add 2 cans of fire-roasted tomatoes, 3/4 cup of white onion, 3/4 cup of fresh cilantro, of course the jalapeños and the garlic. Make sure to take the garlic out of the peels, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, of course salt, and let her whirl. So of course we're going to want to taste it. Got a clean spoon. Wow. Wow. Whew. Jalapeño. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. And so easy. So now that you've got about 4 cups of fresh salsa, what do you do with all of it? If you're anything like me, you're on a 12-chip program and trying to control your addiction to Tostitos, but you still want to get your salsa in. So what do? It's breakfast time now. I made some avocado toast. I clearly wasn't generous enough with my salsa, so I'm going to add a little bit more here. It's a really nice addition to your breakfast because it really brings it up a notch. And in keeping with the breakfast theme, I've also been known to top my eggs with some salsa. It's also delicious on top of grilled chicken. You can also substitute cocktail sauce with this recipe to go with your grilled shrimp. If you want to keep it vegetarian, spice up your zucchini noodles or your zoodles. And with football and tailgating season in full bloom, you can top your burger with some salsa for a nice Mexican flair, or even better, combine it with the meat before cooking it. And of course, no Taco Tuesday would be complete without some homemade salsa. Please enjoy. I hope you like it, and have a good day. See, cooking healthy doesn't need to be hard. You just need to know a few basic skills. And if you want to keep killing it in the kitchen, join the Flossum Foodies family by clicking here to subscribe.